my fiance got me this fun little drum set. It only worked for one day. I decided to, what was ruined was the sound module. I emailed and called the number. They picked up, they said they were gonna ship me a new item. Never arrived. I follow up like a month later. They're like, oh yeah, sorry, it's gonna take 35 days. And I was like, well, I've been waiting. They're like, yeah, just be patient. Been 65 days, nothing has happened. I spend money out of my pocket to get a new sound module. Doesn't work. Very dissatisfied with the drum set itself, the sound module, and horrible customer support.
Go, Jace. Keep going.
Okay, this is perfect. Okay, I'll just hold it around. Okay,
Play some of that stuff.
The hi-hat does not work. Hi-hat control, foot control, and whatever the hi-hat does not work.
Okay, we need to figure out how to prevent this thing from turning all the time, even though I've tightened this thing so many times. I need something to like hold it. It's just poor construction.
Bien.
It's plugged in and will not turn on.